What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, I'm going to save you hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Car, DVD players, and stuff like that. Back in the days, you was paying like 500 or better. Nowadays, you can find something for even $100 as far as a DVD player goes for your car. You want to use your phone and transmit sound from your phone to your speakers and not have to buy a radio. This is what you need. This is a FM transmitter, okay? It transmits sound from your FM radio from your phone via Bluetooth. If you don't want to spend, $150, $100. And also remember, when you change this out, you have to do it yourself or you have to hire somebody else to do it. We have the USB Type-C port, USB port right here. This is to change FM preview, and then you can long press for volume with these knobs over here, okay? It says frequency battery voltage display. Then slide it in, press the button on this. Very nice, you guys. Right here it says 87.5. I did not hook this up, so let me Bluetooth this real quick. Now, what you want to do is turn on your radio. All right, I think we're on FM already. So what you want to do is go to 87.5, and it can't go to 87.5 here. Oh, that's cool. When I go up and down, it's controlling the volume on my phone. When you're doing this, you have to go on an unoccupied station. All right, you can't go on a station that have music and that somebody's talking, because it won't work. You have to go on a station where you hear like a lot of static that is not being used. For instance, you can't be on a station like that. Okay, this is a station that I'm on. You can't be on a station like this. You have to go on a station like this where you hear a lot of static. So you see how it's quiet right now. So I'm on 87.9 and my radio's on 87.9. All right, so I don't know if I'm going to get copyright strike or not, but I'm just showing y'all that it works, okay? Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to get copyright strike or not, so. I say never ever show myself enough love or ran into someone like me. So it's clear. Other than that, that will be it, you guys. That's all with this Bluetooth wireless transmitter. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.